Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is a video of what I ate on keto to lose weight. Welcome back. If you've been watching me for a while, you probably realize I totally missed my video on my food, my weight loss food for last week. And so I'm gonna go ahead and combine last week and this week into a 2-week video for you guys. In the first week, you're gonna see I did a lot better with tracking and did a really good job staying within my macros. And in the second week, it's been my anniversary and Independence Day, my daughter's birthday, and baptism, wedding, etc., etc. We've had a lot going on this week, and so I haven't been that religious with tracking. So you'll see the first week I did a lot better, and the second week maybe isn't the best representation of what you could do to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. But I did stay keto, and that to me is the most important thing. So when you are doing ketogenic way of eating, you can't always be perfect in your macros because things happen and barbecues and it's summer and So doing the best you can to stay keto when you deal with those things is the best thing that you can do. And so you can see an example of my better week, and then you can see an example of what I did to stay keto through holiday times and things like that, all in this video. And I hope that some of the ideas I give you here will help you on your ketogenic journey, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Let's get to the food. Okay everyone, it's Saturday. I'm photographing a wedding today, so I'm eating a little earlier. It's 10 a.m. and I am having 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 fried eggs, 44 grams of center cut bacon, and a Primal Thin bar. That's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Saturday night, and I just got back from that wedding, and I am eating wings. Dave got me a 9-piece chicken wings with sauce on the side, and a salad with ranch dressing, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Sunday afternoon. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm having my first meal of the day. 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 44 grams of center cut bacon, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange, vanilla, Mio water enhancer. That's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Sunday night, and I am having a lettuce wrap burger for dinner. So I have 8 ounces of 90-10 ground beef, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 50 grams of tomato, some pickles, 30 grams of onion, and some mustard, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Everyone, it is Monday and I'm having my first meal of the day. It is a little early because we're heading out to Lagoon Water Park and it's about 11:30 in the morning, and I'm having 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 fried eggs, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange, vanilla, Mio water enhancer, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Monday night, and I am having fajito taco salad tonight for dinner. So I have 6 ounces of top round steak mixed with 80 grams of bell pepper, 35 grams of onion, 2 cups of Mexican blend cheese, a cup of lettuce, 60 grams of tomato, 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, 3 tablespoons of salsa, and I think that's everything. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, Ronnie and I just finished up her college orientation, so we decided to come for lunch, and so I'm starving. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm having first meal of the day, which is going to be 12 chicken wings. I shouldn't, but I'm going to. And then, of course, they put croutons on my salad, even though I said not to. So took most of those off. Well, took all of those off and most of the carrots. And that's going to be my side salad with ranch, and I got my sauce on the side. That's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, I shot my macros this morning, so I am just having a protein bar and some string cheese for dinner. Kind of lame, I know, but I just don't feel like making anything. And Dave's working on cars tonight, so that's what I'm doing for my second or last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Wednesday. It is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am having my first meal of the day. 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with raspberry lemon water enhancer, Great Value brand. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Wednesday night, and I am having my Italian chicken, 155 grams of spaghetti squash, 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and a half cup of Rao's marinara sauce, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, I'm at the park, and this is what I'm having for a first meal of the day. I'm having a Stay Thin bar, 2 boiled eggs, 2 cheese sticks, and some of this zero sugar Tillamook beef jerky. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Thursday night and Dave has made me one of his yummy dishes that he likes to do. It is the baked chicken. We have a recipe I will link above. It's just 6 ounces of chicken breast, 1 ounce of Applegate Naturals ham, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, and then topped with 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese, and then 155 grams of green beans with a tablespoon of butter and salt. And that's going to be my last meal of the day.
Alrighty guys, I'm having a combination of a few of these things. I know for sure I'm gonna eat these 3, but I'm not sure about these. So I'm just gonna record them all because we're here with Wendy Barron and her family again. Hi! At the giant splash pad. So I'm just gonna eat what I feel like eating and then track it after I'm done. So look guys, Wendy brought me some of her awesome brownies. I was teasing when I said bring me some, but she brought me some. So I'm totally eating this, you guys, right now.
Alrighty everyone, it is Friday night and I am having a broccoli Alfredo. So basically have 155 grams of broccoli, 6 ounces of chicken breast, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese, and 2 servings of ragu Alfredo sauce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty guys, I finally got home from the parade with the kids and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to break my fast with 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 4 ounces of Great Value brand sausage, the kind that you get in a little tube, and a cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade, Mio, water enhancer. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hey guys, it's Saturday night. I made my own dinner tonight and I was in the mood for cabbage, so I made a huge bowl of cabbage. This is 300 grams of raw cabbage that I sauteed in a pan with a tablespoon of butter and some salt and pepper. And then 6 ounces of chicken breast that I just seasoned up with salt and pepper and fried in a pan with some olive oil non-stick spray. And that's gonna be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Sunday. It's just a little bit before noon and I'm having my first meal of the day. I'm having 4 ounces of Great Value sausage, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 fried eggs, and a cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer. And that's gonna be my first meal of the day.
Got it. Some marbles.
Alright everyone, it's Sunday night. Here we are at Olive Garden and I'm having the endless salad with the regular Olive Garden dressing and cheese. And then I'll be having the zoodles in a minute. Alright everybody, here's the famous zoodles Primavera. I don't know how much chicken breast is on it, but it's delicious and I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I'm not feeling super awesome this morning though. I'm kind of feeling nauseous. I don't know, I drank my Sole water and maybe it's just making me feel nauseous for once, but it doesn't usually do that. I don't know. So I'm actually going to eat some breakfast before we go out on the trail just to make sure, because I don't know, something about it just makes me feel a little nervous. So I'm just gonna have some peanuts and a protein bar.
Guys, it's just a little after noon and we're gonna have our first real meal of the day. Last time I ate was about 9-ish, so I think I'm safe to go ahead and eat. So I'm gonna be having Quest protein chips and a little lettuce wrap that we made at home with bacon, ham, mozzarella, mayonnaise, mustard, pickle, and a lettuce wrap. And we are hanging out at the hot springs. And that's where we're eating. It's pretty amazing. Here's our dessert, guys. Woohoo!
Alrighty guys, it is Monday night and I am having 12-piece chicken wings with hot sauce and ranch dressing and a salad. So that is gonna be my last meal of the day for our anniversary trip. Alrighty everyone, it's Tuesday. It is just about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I am breaking my fast with my typical first meal of the day. 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 40 grams of center cut bacon, and a cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine Mio water enhancer. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Tuesday night and I am having my typical Italian chicken. I'm having 155 grams of spaghetti squash, 6 ounces of chicken, 2 ounces of mozzarella, and a serving of Rao's marinara. And I'm here at birthday party. Alright everyone, it's Wednesday. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes, I know I am waiting till the very last minute to eat. Today I have had a busy morning, so I'm having my typical first breakfast, 2 fried eggs, 1 cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt, sweetened with orange tangerine Mio water enhancer, 1.5 ounces of Great Value sausage, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Wednesday night and I am having an 8 ounce top round steak, with 155 grams of cauliflower and 2 ounces of Mexican blend cheese, and that's going to be my last meal of the day.
All right, everybody, it's Thursday, and it is Independence Day, and I am breaking my fast at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, I guess that's 12 o'clock noon, not afternoon. With 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of Mexican blend cheese fried in a pan, 4 ounces of great value sausage, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine meal water enhancer, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it is the Independence Day, and I'm having all the protein today. I'm having like a 10-ounce New York strip steak and 3 pork ribs with some sugar-free barbecue sauce. And then for my salad portion, I have a salad with ranch dressing, and this is the lovely whipped cream dessert that I kind of made up. It's like a Jell-O salad. So it's sugar-free Jell-O powder, heavy whipping cream, and then just the curds from cottage cheese that we rinsed the whey off of. And then one more thing I'm having. I found these on Amazon. I'm going to try them. They're 2 net carbs protein croutons. 10 grams of protein, 2 net carbs. And that's going to be my second, last, I don't even know, meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Friday, and I am having my first meal of the day. It's a little after noon. I'm all out of cheese, and I got new bacon. So I kind of like mix and matched what I had today. It was kind of a little bit confusing, but I finally decided on 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 strawberries, a Quest bar, and 150 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine meal water enhancer. That's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Friday night, and I am having leftover chicken breasts. So we just pulled out some cold chicken breasts from our barbecue last night, put it on a couple of cups of our salad with 3 tablespoons of homemade ranch dressing. And then I'm going to go ahead and splurge and have another cup of that heavy whipping cream / sugar-free Jell-O / cottage cheese mixture that we made yesterday for the barbecue. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, we are here at a little party, and I'm just having a little lunch meat and cheese, some berries, and a keto soup with vegetables that are safe and a little sour cream. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Saturday night, and I am celebrating Saturday night with Quest protein chip nachos. So these are the Chipotle lime Quest protein chips on the bottom here, and then I have about, 8 ounces of steak? 7 ounces of New York steak, 120 grams of bell pepper, 70 grams of onion. That's a bit high for me. It's probably going to be a little high carb for me, but I'm eating it anyway. 3 tablespoons of salsa, about 60 grams of tomato, 50 grams of avocado, a few olives, some light sour cream, and I think that's everything. And I hope I don't regret it on the scale tomorrow, as it's like 10:30 at night, but I'm going to do the best that I can with this food because I'm really hungry. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate in the last 2 weeks to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that some of the meal ideas that I've shared with you will help you on your own ketogenic journey. If you're interested on getting started on doing things the way I do it with a little bit different keto than some of the other people here on YouTube, check out the Facebook group in the link below. We have all the information on how you can get started in the pinned post of our Facebook group. If you're not on Facebook and you'd still like the information, go ahead and shoot me an email, ketochaos@gmail.com, that just says send me the chart or send me the getting started guide, and I will send it to you completely 100% free. All I want to do is help you guys to succeed in every way that I can, and that's why I do these videos. So don't forget to email me if you're not on Facebook, if you want to get started eating the way I'm eating and losing some fat and maintaining some lean mass on a ketogenic way of eating. If you'd like to support this channel, I have links in the About section below on how you can buy t-shirts or mugs and things like that to support Keto Chaos and help me keep videos going. If you'd rather just give us a donation, we do have a Patreon page. The link is in the About section as well. And all of my Patreons receive 24 hours in advance early content of any of my extra videos. And hopefully this week I will be having my anniversary video coming out for my Patreon. So if you want to be part of that, now's the time to go check that out. Any donation is welcome. Everyone gets to see the videos. So anything that that you can do to help me keep these videos going, I'm always grateful. Thank you so much for all of you who have the opportunity to support me that way, but also just watching the videos and liking them and commenting on them. It means so much to me and it helps me grow on YouTube. So all of that is greatly appreciated, and I appreciate every single one of you. I love you all. I consider you to be my friends. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with me. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.